Good morning, grade 3s. Welcome to our second lesson for English. Welcome for the second lesson in English. And today we are still dealing with grammar. Today we are going to talk about the use of some and any. The use of some and any. I have some sentences here. There is some milk in this jug. There is some milk in this jug. Number 2, there are some books in that box. There are some books in that box. Number 3, there isn't any food here. Number 3, there isn't any food here. Number 4, is there any dust on the table? Is there any dust on the table? Now, what is guiding us to write the answers some and not the word any? Why are we saying there is some milk in this jug and not there is any milk in this jug? What is guiding us? How do we use this some and any? And it says some is used in positive sentences. The word some is used in positive sentences. The word some also is used in questions that answers will be positive. Now, you are asking for something, but what you're expecting, the answer you're expecting, is you're expecting what you're asking for to be yes, or what you're requesting for, it will be there. So positive means yes, like in our question number 1. The sentence number 1, there is some milk in this jug. Yes, there is milk. Yes, there is milk. There are some books in that box. There are some books in that box. That shows in that box there are some books. So what you are looking for, you'll get it in that box. If you are looking for the books, you know in that box there are some books. So these two are showing us what we need. There is positive answer. There is what we need. Now, we also say the word some is used to tell. Now, the word used is to tell that there is little, but not much or not many. What you are requesting for, it is yes, it's there, it's little, but not, or it's not much, or it's not many. So we are saying the word some is used in positive sentences. And it's also used in asking question. You are requesting for something and you're expecting the answer you are going to get is positive. Then we have the use of the word any. The use of the word any, and you say any is used in negative and questions. Any is used in negative sentences and questions. Now, we also say to ask if there is something or anything. It's used in question to ask if there is something or there is anything. In our sentence is here number 3. There isn't any food here. That is a negative sentence, meaning that there is no. The answer there is 0. No, there isn't any food. The answer there is no. That is a negative sentence. A positive sentence is yes, and the negative sentence is no. So there isn't any food here. Number 4, is there any dust on that table? You're asking for a question. You're asking a question. That's why we say the word any is used to ask a question. The word any is used to ask if there is anything or something. Now, the word any and the word some are used with countable and uncountable things. The countable things are things like books, tables, chairs. These are the things you can count. And then uncountable things are things which we can't count. We can't count the milk. We can't count water, tea, jug, coffee. We can't count this. So the both words, that is some and any, are used with countable and uncountable things. So We have said some is used in positive sentences, that to show yes what you need, it's the answer you're asking for, it's a yes. Or and the word any is used to show negative sentence, that is no, there isn't any food here, that's no, there isn't any teacher in that class, that shows there is no. If you go to that class you find no teacher in that class. There isn't any pupil outside, meaning you go to the field you find there's no kid there. So any is used in negative sentences, and it's also used to ask question, to ask if there is something or there is anything. Now we have an exercise here, and we have told exercise use some or any in these sentences. Number one, the child does not drink some milk. The child does not drink some milk. There is some coffee in this jug. There is some coffee in this jug. There is some coffee in this jug. This is a positive sentence showing that yes, there is coffee in the jug. Yes, the child drinks the milk, but he drinks some, not much, not many. He takes some. So the child drinks some, does not drink some milk. He drinks, yes, but not all. So you are going to answer from number 3 to number 12 in your exercise book. From number 3 to number 12, use some or any in your book, in the sentence. This is the question you are going to answer from number 3 to number 12. Use some or any. This is the exercise you are going to do today. Answer using